Alright, let's start this project by scoring the bottle, using an X-Acto and being careful not to cut all the way into the bottle. Just score it. Take your Diet Cola and fill your bottle about 3/4 of the way full. I'm going to use popcorn as a cheap biodegradable BB. I'm putting 1.5 handfuls in, about equivalent to half a cup. Okay, now you want to work fast. You want to hot glue the threads to your bottle, then screw your lid on. Because there is a reaction happening between the popcorn and the carbon dioxide in the Diet Cola. The reaction is kind of like Mentos, but a lot slower. Okay, this is kind of weird. The popcorn will float, and then suddenly sink, and then float again. It's weird. Alright, as weird as this is, let's move on. I'm going to shake the bottle to make sure the reaction is all finished, and then chuck it at this tree, see if it'll explode. Not really an explosion, more of a